grab the content. If you join DPS 2020 training class, you get to attend live and you also get the class recordings to watch over next 12 months as many times as you want. Let's get started. T-SQL Guru ITZIK BEN-GAN joins us. DevOps Master Alex Yates, ETL gem Andy Leonard, the world-renowned Bob Ward and Anna Hoffman with their popular class Azure SQL Workshop. Kubernetes, look no beyond Anthony NOCENTINO. ANUPAMA NATARAJAN from Australia on machine learning for developers. No one knows SQL Server big data clusters better than Ben WEISSMAN. Another ETL gem, Benjamin Kettner. Want to dive deep into data science algorithms? Join this class by DEJAN SARKA. Get real-world experience into enterprise Power BI with the help of Dr. Greg Lowe. Another SQL community gem and Microsoft Certified Master Edwin M. Sarmiento with his class on SQL Server and Docker containers. The best SQL Server performance tuning class comes to DPS by ERIK Darling. Niche topic Cosmos DB by Hassan Savran. Yay! ITZIK BEN-GAN does his second training class at DPS. Kelly K, Power BI admin. Then Kevin Faisal comes with data analysis in Python and SQL. Niche topic. Want to do self-service AI on Power BI desktop? Join this class by Marcus. Niche topic again Azure SQL DB performance tuning by Martin Kete. Want to do some deep dive into SQL Server migration? Join this class from Microsoft with the help of Mukesh and Raj. World-renowned expert on Power BI, Peter Mize comes to DPS for the 5th time with his popular class Power BI desktop modeling. Philip SEAMARK does DAX in a day. PRASHANT BOYAR with Microsoft Conversational AI Masterclass. Community gem Rob SEWELL with his PowerShell and SQL Server DBATools. Siva Harinath with Dashboard in a Day, Jana Berkovich with Power BI Data Visualization, another SQL Server expert RICKEN with his performance tuning class. Want to deploy SQL Server on Azure VMs? Join this class by 5 experts from the SQL Server team. And yes, Synapse is the buzzword in modern analytics. Join this class by Warner Chefs. So much to choose from. Be a winner. Join DPS today.